My name is Rick Nicholson. I'm the Director of Creative Services for the YMCA of Silicon Valley. The YMCA of Silicon Valley is a nonprofit. We're here to provide services to families and kids to enrich their lives, build stronger communities. We're using ScreenCloud in our facilities. We have 10 branches in the Silicon Valley area. We're using those for high-level marketing messaging, for group exercise, class schedules that are automated. ScreenCloud's been a really flexible, solid solution for the challenge of networking a whole bunch of screens in different locations. It's been very affordable and flexible for what we're doing. It's really easy to get a screen up and going in a matter of minutes and push content to that from a central location. The ScreenCloud interface has been really easy to use. It's kind of been a joy as far as creating individual playlists for down to the screen. Things we can schedule playlists by location, by screen, and that's been really easy and to do. I have recommended ScreenCloud to other people. As I've been adding new screens and locations, people come up to me and are asking me about how we're doing, what we're doing, and it's been great to share that with them.